Today we're going to be working with the Arduino open source hardware platform coupled with a wireless module to demonstrate how we can web enable a garage door. We're using the WIShield from Async Labs. In the video we're using version 1.0. 2.0 was just released a few months ago. Definitely check them out at asynclabs.com. On top we've stacked a prototyping shield in order to make some of our connections. Dropping in two LED indicator lights, one going to pin 13, which will show us activity on the WIShield, and the other going to pin 6, which will show us open-close status for the contact sensor we're going to be hooking up. Here we're dropping in two resistors that will help our contact switch work reliably. That's going to pin 7, and pin 3 we're going to hook up a relay. Positive and negative will be hooked up to the coil side of the relay, and get that hooked up with some alligator clips temporarily here. And we're just going to power up the device and check for basic functionality. Once pin 6 light goes solid, we'll know that the WIShield has made a good connection with the access point, and we'll see some activity on the WIShield as it contacts the web server. So here we'll be able to move the contact switch out of the way to control that LED, and here we've disassembled a working garage door opener and soldered onto control wires that will connect to the load side of the relay. When the relay is activated, we'll momentarily short the two red wires, which will activate the garage door opener. In this next part of the video, we're going to package all that up. We're using some RJ45 connectors, and here we've added an additional LED light to indicate both open and closed. So here we'll see the entire piece in action, and we can move on to some of the code. Here I have a simple PHP page that I'm hitting through a BlackBerry. It's providing feedback from the chip to let us know if the door is currently opened or closed. I'm moving the sensor out of the way and refreshing the page. You'll notice the lock icon in the bottom right changes to an unlocked icon to indicate that the door is open. Now if I enter my password and click the image, it triggers the relay and activates the opener. Behind the scenes, I'm changing a value in a MySQL database that the Arduino will pick up on in its main program loop. Once the chip triggers the relay, it resets the trigger in the database to prepare it for its next signal. Here I'm manually triggering the relay by manipulating the database value. You can hear my garage door opening in the background. Also being returned is the open-close status from the contact sensor, which will be deployed to the physical garage door. I also have Nagio set up to track the contact sensor. Nagio is an open source monitoring framework. Here you can see the service that set up the monitor garage door status. The service will return critical, the contact sensor is open. I've moved the sensor out of place. I'm forcing a check, and you'll see the service go critical. I'll move the sensor back in place, and you'll see the service return to normal. I plan on using this to provide additional alert capability and further automation, such as automatically closing the garage door if it's been open for more than a given threshold. Thanks for watching. Please leave your comments and questions. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter.